Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix ADI. First, let's understand what Wix ADI is. Wix ADI, or Artificial Design Intelligence, is a powerful tool that helps you create a professional website in minutes. You simply answer a few questions about your business or personal needs, and the ADI system intelligently designs a unique site tailored just for you. This innovative approach significantly reduces the time and effort typically required for website development, making it accessible to everyone. To begin your Wix ADI journey, navigate to the Wix platform and choose the option to create new site, then select Wix ADI. The system will prompt you to input key information about your website's purpose, such as whether it's for a business, portfolio, or event. You'll also specify desired features, like an online store or a blog. Finally, pick a design style that resonates with your vision, and Wix ADI will start building your site. Once Wix ADI generates your initial site, the real fun of personalization begins. You have complete control to customize every aspect. Easily modify colors, fonts, and the overall layout to match your brand. You can add new sections, remove unnecessary ones, or rearrange existing elements with simple clicks. Upload your unique images, videos, and text to make the site truly yours. The intuitive editor allows for precise adjustments, ensuring your vision comes to life. After customizing your site to perfection, it's time to launch it to the world. Before publishing, take a moment to review every page and ensure all content is accurate and visually appealing. Consider connecting a custom domain name, which adds a professional touch and helps with branding. With just one click, your website will be live and accessible to everyone. You can then easily manage all future updates and content changes through your Wix dashboard, keeping your site fresh and engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.